A production system consists of different resources: man, machine, robots, all working together to produce a product. Let's look at an example of a Swedish automotive production system. This production system has 20 machines. The raw material comes to M1 machine, and then it comes out as a product from M20 machines. All the machines are connected in a serial way. That means that the product, after finishing the operations in M1, goes to M2, M3, and then it exits out from M20. Now the challenge is to identify the throughput bottleneck in the production system. In order to identify the throughput bottleneck, we need a metric. Let's take an example of an active period metric. When you plot that metric on a time axis, each machine has a time series like this. You see that the time series is so messy. It's not possible to analyze this manually. Imagine an algorithm that sort of analyzes this time series and then gives you the result of a bottleneck. Now let's see how the algorithm works. Here are the machines, and this is the core algorithm that we designed to detect the bottleneck. Now let's start the algorithm.
How much past data do you need to detect the bottleneck?
1 month of data. Now you see the algorithm takes the 1 month of data, converts it into a time series, compares the different time series using dynamic time wrapping measure, and then clusters the time series based on the similarity score that we get out of dynamic time wrapping.
How many clusters do you want to classify the machines in?
5 clusters.
There is a large overlap between the representative time series in cluster 1 and 2. Want to proceed?
No, I would like to have it as 4 clusters.
There are no overlaps between the representative time series of clusters. Want to proceed?
Looks like, yes.
The machines in cluster 1 are the bottleneck machines. Good luck in improving the bottlenecks to achieve the desired system throughput.
Thank you. Can you think of other applications where these kind of algorithms are used in? One is the stock market analysis, where the financial analyst will be interested to find out that one particular stock that moves in a completely different way historically over a period of time compared to other stocks. This is similar to manufacturing. Here we are identifying the unique set of machines that shows a completely different behavior than the rest of the machines in the production system. This could be an indicator of bottleneck.